Okay, so first up, two immediate things that we need to start looking at are support and replace. So the first thing is support. Now, this is an absolute non-negotiable for me. It's you need to get yourself to the doctor. You need to pick your phone up, you need to call your doctor, you need to make an appointment, and you need to go and see them and talk about your drinking with them. Now, you don't have to tell your family or your friends what you're doing or anybody else around you, but I cannot recommend this. Like, it's just, you have to do this. I cannot recommend it highly enough now. And make an appointment to talk about your drinking and what your journey is going to look like, because you might need medication to help you stop drinking, and they also have just an absolute range of support available, like professional support, and that's what we need. And I know the first time round when I first stopped drinking that I didn't give myself enough support. You might need or want to go to AA, and right now I have a doctor and a psych. I see my chiro and my kinesiologist, and a dietitian. I see a lot of professionals regularly, or when I know I need to, in order to help me continue on my journey, because it's really tough and we don't understand that. We think we can do it all on our own. Well, that's what I thought. And I really needed that professional support, and it is really wonderful. Now, you need to decide what sort of support feels comfortable for you. You need to be gentle and easy on yourself as you figure this out, and you might still be drinking, and that's okay. You really have to go easy on yourself. And the first doctor I saw about my drinking, they didn't want to hear about it. They seemed to think that drinking a bottle of wine a night for a young mum was fine. And I'm here to tell you it wasn't, and it's not. And I made myself go and see another doctor, and he was brilliant at helping me. And I really am very grateful for him listening to me. So if you're finding that there's people that are not listening to you, go and find another doctor and get the support that you need, and know that it's a great act of self-kindness and self-care to do this for yourself. Yeah, it's an absolute non-negotiable. Go and book in an appointment with your doctor, and you need to replace your drinking with something else. And for me, at the beginning, I was drinking Coca-Cola. I love my fizzy drinks, and I knew that it wasn't great, but I didn't care because I wasn't drinking. And right now I drink mineral water, raspberry infused mineral water. But you need to start creating different drinks for yourself and different things to do at that time when you know you want to have a drink. And that's going to be super important to have that backup there, because you are so used to going like this. You need to swap it out for something. You might want to swap it out for weights or something like that. And I also go and I do a lot of art and painting and craft, and I'll share that with you in another section. But you really do have to replace it with something to help you out. So the first time round when I stopped drinking, I drank the fake wine, the non-alcoholic alcohol, which for me just totally didn't work, because it's like, why not just be a real bottle of wine? I'd way prefer getting smashed. So yeah, just it is whatever works for you there, but you do have to replace. So support, get your doctor, book an appointment, and replace your drink. There are the first two immediate things you can do to help you on your way.